In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notification for specific app on Android or Samsung device. So if you're using any Android phone or Samsung Galaxy device, you can easily turn off notification for a specific application instead of disabling notifications for all your application on the device. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to disable notification for a specific app on your phone is open the settings application, then scroll down and click on apps. Then once selected apps, locate the application whose notification you want to disable on your device. So in this case, let's say I want to turn off the Chrome notifications. Open the Chrome app. Then once you open it, click on notifications. Then make sure allow notification is disabled. At the same time, if you don't want to disable all notifications on your Chrome browser, go ahead and turn on notifications. Then scroll down and click on notification categories. Under that, you have options or access to all notifications information on your Chrome browser. Then go ahead and configure this notification based on your need. So let's say you want to disable the browser notification, complete download notification, active download, incognito, plain media, web app, full screen sighting control, or mic and camera use. Then once you configure this, all you just need to do is hit the back button. And once that is done, this is going to set these preferences on this particular application. So this works on all apps on Android and Samsung Galaxy device. So this is how you can easily block particular app notifications on Android and Samsung. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.